Hello guys, we're going to learn hashcode and equals method implementation. Why it is required is because whenever you're going to store something in hash map, the hash map is calculating the hash code for your key. So hash map is simply collection of entry set. Entry set is having key and value pairs. So if you're going to put some record in hash map, first it will calculate hash code of the key. We'll try to store it in hash map and the value also. When it stores, before storing it will check if the hash code is equal. If the hash code of the previous item and this item is equal, it will check for equality. If these two references are equal, then it will simply replace the old value with the new value. That's why hash map is used, because the keys should be unique. If you are not using the hash code and equals implementation, for every insertion of new item, it will calculate hash code. This hash code will be each time it will generate the unique hash code. So even if the items are duplicate, it will store on the different location. It will not know whether this item is already present or not. So this way the hash map contract is done, where equals and hash code must be implemented. So how you going to implement and what it means? Hash code is simply the method which will randomly return some unique number. At the end it will generate integer. This is the bucket location where your item will be stored, and where it will check for equality between the two references. If these two references are equal, then it will return true. Otherwise it will return false. It means the items are different. So stay with me, we're going to implement this hash code and equals method. Eclipse IDE comes handy when you're implementing this thing, because it's going to give you most of the things handy. For example, string is name, integer is ID.